Beth sy'n anwyl I chi? What is dear to you? Colli. To lose. Wedi colli. To have lost. Ydych chi wedi colli rhywbeth sy'n anwyl? Have you lost something that is dear? Dwi wedi colli allan. I have lost out. Dwi wedi colli fy allweddi. I have lost my keys. Dwi wedi colli fy llais. I have lost my voice. Dwi wedi colli fy hunaniaeth. I have lost my identity. Dwi wedi colli fy ngath. I have lost my cat. Dwi wedi colli fy meddwl. I have lost my mind. Dwi wedi colli fy hun. I have lost myself. Dwi'n teimlo fy mod I wedi colli fy hun. I feel that I have lost myself. Dwi gwybod fy mod I wedi colli fy ngath. I know that I have lost my cat. Ble mae fy ngath I? Where is my cat? Dwi ar goll. I am lost. Anwyliad. Loved ones. Cyfaill. Close friend. Anwyl gyfaill. Dear friend. Ysgrifennu. To write. Dwi'n ysgrifennu ato chi. I'm writing to you. Hoffwn I sôn am. I'd like to mention about. Hoffwn I sôn am fy ngath. I would like to mention about my cat. Ydych chi wedi gweld fy ngath? Have you seen my cat? Gwelais I dy gath. I have seen your cat. Dyw dy gath di ddim yn digaru di rhagor. Your cat does not love you anymore. Fy ngath I yw hi nawr. It is my cat now. Mae digon o bysgod yn y môr. There are plenty of fish in the sea. Mae llawer o gathod. There are many cats. Mae llawer o gathod yn y byd. There are many cats in the world. Chwilio. To search or look for. Byddai'n chwilio. I will be searching. Chwiliaf. I will search. Chwiliaf eto. I will search again. Dwi'n chwilio am anafael anwes. I'm searching for a pet. Mae cath void y fi nawr. I have a bigger cat now. Mae popeth yn iawn. Everything is alright. Mae popeth